Minneapolis has a central library downtown near where I live. The architectural design is certainly interesting, but the price tag is what caught my attention. The Minneapolis Central Library had a hefty cost of $138 million. With this sort of price tag, I had to go inside and see if it was worth it. The building has a sleek interior, clean lines, and tons of glass. Inside feels like an Apple store. There's a piano room on the third floor you can reserve for free. This is my first time seeing something like this in a public library. The second floor has an art gallery. The gallery is small, but has interesting art pieces. Again, I've never seen stuff like this in a public library. Sound lovers can reserve the music room. You can bring vinyl records and enjoy them privately. Last but not least, there's an archive collection for everything related to Minneapolis history. Very useful for local historians like myself. The Central Library has much more to offer, but I don't want to give away all the surprises. Save this location on a Cityscape app and come get a stamp. If you want a tour guide, send me an email. I'll be your plug to the city. So, is this library worth the $140 million price tag? Well, you tell me. Share your thoughts in the comment section. In my opinion, public libraries should be stunningly beautiful. Their use, or lack of it, can tell you a lot about a city. My main concern for this place is maintenance. Will Minneapolis locals maintain this gem in top condition? I guess only time will tell. See you next time.